Hey there, marketing pros! Today I'm diving into something you might not have thought about much. Graffiti. Yeah, that's right. Graffiti isn't just about street art and rebellious teens. It's about communication, culture, and yes, even business. First up, let's talk about what graffiti means. It's a form of expression, often a loud one. Some see it as vandalism, but for others it's an art form, a way to speak out and be heard. During war times, graffiti becomes a powerful tool. Think about World War II. Messages of hope and defiance scrawled on bombed-out walls. Fast forward to the Arab Spring, where graffiti was a key medium for political messages and social change. It's raw, unfiltered emotion right there on the wall. But graffiti isn't confined to conflict zones. It's crossed over into the world of advertising. Remember Pepsi's urban art campaigns? They transformed dull cityscapes into vibrant murals, making their brand almost synonymous with cool and edgy. Nike did it too, using graffiti to capture the essence of street culture and athleticism. Now, a bit of history. Graffiti dates back to ancient times. The ruins of Pompeii, for example, are covered in ancient graffiti. Fast forward to the 20th century, and it becomes a cornerstone of hip-hop culture in New York City. Artists like Keith Haring and Jean-Michel Basquiat took it from the streets to galleries, reshaping how we view urban art. And let's not forget demonstrations. Graffiti can turn everyday walls into protest billboards. Think of the George Floyd protests. Graffiti was everywhere, broadcasting messages of justice and change. So why does this matter to you? As marketers, we need to understand the power of symbols and messages. Graffiti is raw, emotional, and impactful. It grabs attention and stirs emotions. It's a testament to the human need to communicate and connect. Harness that energy. Use it to tell your brand's story in a way that resonates. Because at the end of the day, marketing is about connection. And what better way to connect than through art that speaks to the soul? Remember, the next time you pass by a piece of graffiti, think about the story it tells. You never know. Your next big campaign might just be inspired by a splash of paint on a wall. Catch you next time.